Hey everyone, welcome back to IP service. If your games are lagging or your system isn't using your NVIDIA graphics card to its full potential, then this video is for you. Today I am going to show how to boost your NVIDIA graphics performance on Windows 11. Hope you are watching full video. This time we will set power option, then click search button, type control panel, then click power option, change advanced power setting. We select always best performance. My things is showing balance active. We will setting best performance PCI Express on battery maximum power setting, plugging maximum power setting, select and apply and OK. This time my power plan setting is complete. Now we are going to NVIDIA graphics card, NVIDIA control panel. This is the main part of this video. Show you your simple tricks to help your NVIDIA graphics card FPS boost. Now we can select graphics card, prefer graphics processor, obviously high performance NVIDIA processor. This time we are setting some potential settings to help your video performance or FPS, gaming FPS is higher. Now we can see just low latency mode on to ultra. Set ultra, then max frame rate we are on this time 100 fps. You need 60, 70, 80. This option boost your gaming FPS. Now we select OpenGL rendering GPU, always NVIDIA GeForce. Then power management mode optimal to we are going prefer maximum performance. This helps your NVIDIA graphics card is super powerful. All of settings, rest of settings are okay. This time just few settings to boost your graphics card performance 100%. These settings will help your gaming FPS higher. Just few settings set and OK. Then close. This time select your physical processor, obviously NVIDIA GeForce MX 450 from my time. Then close. Your NVIDIA graphics setting is alright. Now make sure let your system file are intact or there are nothing slowing down your GPU performance behind the scene. We are check a Windows tools called System File Checker. Just click search button, then command prompt, then right click, run as administrator. You type sfcscannow and hit enter. This is scan and repair corrupted system files that could be affected your overall system performance. These tools helps your system file completely repair corrupted file for boost your GPU performance NVIDIA graphics card performance and gaming performance are boost. So this SFC or system file checker tools are very useful. This time we are used. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient and it's complete. Once it's this time we are clear temp file, just click run and type percentage temp percentage and so many files, garbage files. Just click Ctrl A and hit delete. That's okay. Many other files are not deleted. It's ignore, just skip and close. Thank you for watching IP service.